your girl Roxanne and
Crystal.
they were here to do a mukbang. Our one friend of ours, Sandra, she wanted us to try the buffalo chicken wrap, spicy buffalo chicken wrap, and the spicy chicken sandwich, but they said they didn't have the spicy chicken sandwich. All they had was the buffalo chicken sandwich and the buffalo wrap, so we just got that instead, I guess. But we're gonna try them out for you guys today, and we want to say thank you, Sandra, and there is one other person, Extreme Dash something, that said they wanted to see more mukbangs, so we're doing more mukbangs for you guys.
Yeah.
So if you guys haven't subscribed, go hit that subscribe button right now. Hit the like button because you're gonna like this video. You're gonna like mukbangs because people like mukbangs. I don't know why you guys like mukbangs or mukbang or however you say it.
Mukbang.
So yeah, let's get into trying these things. I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. I'm scared. So this is what the wrap looks like. Katie, stop getting excited over there. I know you. Just getting excited. This is what the wrap looks like.
Are we doing the wrap first?
I don't know. You can do that first, and I'll do the wrap. Oh, I'm scared. Or should we both do one the same?
I don't know.
Yeah, because I want to try the same, right? Maybe I'll do the same. Buffalo chicken. Lettuce, tomato, and ranch, I guess, is on here.
Yeah.
Lettuce, tomato, ranch.
Make a mess.
Okay, I'm going to try it. And I've never tried this before in my life. Okay.
Okay.
Pretty good. I don't know. I think it's good.
Yeah, it's okay. That buffalo sauce is like
Yeah, I don't know.
different.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got the poutine. I've never tried this poutine before. What is it called?
I don't know.
Chicken. Yeah, I wish I can remember now.
It's like chicken protein or something.
Chicken. Oh, bacon. It's bacon chicken ranch. Bacon chicken ranch poutine. I've never tried this kind of poutine before. So let's try it. Should we mix it together or? Looks like there's only a few pieces of chicken on the top here and some ranch. Never tried this before in my life. A big huge piece of chicken with your fries. Is it good with the chicken?
You know.
That actually tastes pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
They actually have gravy in there too. They still have the gravy and the cheese.
Yeah. It's a protein. Good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. And this sandwich is actually pretty good too.
Let's try this wrap. I'm curious to know what this wrap tastes like.
I want to see what this wrap tastes like too.
Pretty decent size. I didn't really get much the first bite.
Yeah, me either. I just got wrap.
Why does mine look so like all there is lettuce in mine? There's some chicken, but I don't know. You like it?
Yeah. I finally got a bite of the chicken.
Spicy?
Spicy. Yeah. My mouth is on fire. Oh, it's pretty spicy, guys. It's weird. Why is the wrap more spicy? Like, the sandwich doesn't taste that spicy. No. That's weird.
I don't know.
That's weird. The wrap. Like, oh, now the sandwich tastes spicy. Whew.
It's probably from the rat. Not the
Yeah,
sandwich.
maybe. So spicy. Poutine is so good.
So good. Everything's pretty much good.
Yeah, I would recommend it. I would recommend eating this buffalo chicken wrap and the buffalo chicken sandwich. And actually the poutine is really good, guys. If you guys like poutine, go get that. What is it called again? Bacon chicken. I think it's ranch.
Poutine?
Bacon chicken ranch poutine. It's actually pretty good. There's like not very many pieces of chicken. You cut this in half. You can have half. There's a few pieces of chicken. I think they need to add a little bit more chicken. I don't know if they're kind of jippy on the chicken for some reason. We had a few pieces, maybe like, I don't know, 4 pieces or so on the top. Wow, it's good. Recommend it.
Really good.
I usually get, when I go to Harvey's though, my like meal that I always get is the now I can't even think, I had a brain fart.
Original?
Yeah, the original cheese. Original with cheese. That's what I always get. The original with cheese. And I get lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise and ketchup. Yeah, mayonnaise, ketchup, lettuce, tomato. I would just get that on my burger with the cheese. And then I'll get sometimes just regular fries. Or I'll get a poutine with it. I love my poutine.
Yeah, I pretty much get the same.
That's what I always get from Harvey's, and it's so good.
Yeah.
I got like bread all in my teeth.
I know, I feel like...
Oh, excuse me.
But yeah, this is good. Really good. Good suggestion, Sarah. Or
Sandra.
Sandra.
Yeah, good suggestion.
Yeah.
And if anyone else wants to make a suggestion, comment below and let us know, and we'll do a shout out in the next video, or we'll do when we do another mukbang. If you guys want to see us do another restaurant or something, comment below.
Let us know in the comments.
Comment below and let us know. Well, I guess we should get eating the rest of this food.
Yeah. Well, if you guys like this video, comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.